Hello dear students, let's start our lesson. Module 1, our class, lesson 10. In the beginning, please look at this picture. Look at this picture and try to guess the theme of our lesson. How do you think? What is the theme of the lesson today? Yes, you're right. The theme of our lesson today is school rules. In this lesson, we will talk about school rules. And you will also make acquaintance with modal verbs. With modal verb must, need, and should. And now, please look at the picture, listen to me, and repeat after me. To wear school uniform. Wear school uniform. To listen to the teacher. Listen to the teacher. To raise a hand. Raise your hand. To be friendly. Be friendly. To be late. Be late. To speak. Speak. To make noise. Make noise. To run in the corridor. Run in the corridor. To use mobile phone. Use mobile phone. And now look please at these three modal verbs. They are must, should, need. We'll start from must. Must is the most universal modal verb expressing obligation. It can practically express all kinds of obligation, from high moral obligation to everybody necessity. Look please at this example. The captain said that we must save the man's life. Here we use must. The captain says that we must save the man's life. Another example. For example, teacher or father says, you must do your home task. Here we use must. You must do your home task. Now, modal verb should. We use should to give or ask for advice or an opinion in the present. Now let's look at the example. I have a terrible toothache. You should go to the dentist. She says, you should go to the dentist. She gives advice. That's why she uses should. Another example. For example, your teacher or your father says, you should be friendly. This is also advice. That's why should. The next modal verb need. We use need to say that something is necessary. For example, I need your help. Help me. Help. I need your help. Need. Okay, now let's look at the positive and negative forms of these modal verbs. Must, mustn't, should, shouldn't, need, needn't. And now let's speak about school rules and use these modal verbs. You mustn't speak in the lesson. Yes, of course, you mustn't speak in the lesson. It's not good. You must wear uniform to school. Yes, all pupils must wear uniform to school. You mustn't be late to school. Yes, of course, you mustn't be late to school. It's not good to be late. You should listen to the teacher. Yes, of course, to be a good student, you should listen to your teacher. You should raise a hand. Yes, it's right. You should raise a hand. You mustn't use your mobile phone in the lesson. You mustn't use your mobile phone in the lesson. You should be friendly. Yes, right. It's right. All people should be friendly. You shouldn't make noise in the lesson. Of course. You mustn't run in the corridor. Yes, it's not good. Don't run in the corridor. You mustn't. Okay, now let's look at the task. Task number 1. Complete the sentences with must, mustn't, should, shouldn't, need, needn't. You can stop this video and do this task into your notebook. And here you can see the answers. The first, I need to send the letter. The second, school children must wear black shoes. 3, they mustn't wear jeans in the office. 4, I needn't get up early because I'm on holiday. 5, you should make your bed every day. 6, I need to go to the library quite soon. 7, you shouldn't drink coffee after dinner. Well done. The next, task number 2. Look at the pictures and complete the sentences. The script. You should define the correct mobile phone. You should the correct modal verb, and you should also look at the picture and write the sentence against this picture. For example, in my school we, and after we you can see the picture, which means wear school uniform. That's why the answer is, in my school we must wear school uniform. And now tasks. The first sentence, in my school we, and look please at this picture. What does it mean? How to complete this sentence? Sentence number 2. In the lesson you, look at this picture. What does this picture mean? And the third sentence. To be a good pupil, you. Okay, you can also stop this video and write the full sentences into your notebook. Okay, now some reflections. Let's answer these questions. Which modal verb is used to say that something is necessary? Think, please. Yes, of course. Need. Which modal verb is used to express all kinds of applications. How do you think? Yes, of course you're right. Must. Which modal verb is used to give or ask for advice? Yes, this modal verb is should. Very good. Very good, dear students. I think that today in this lesson you worked very good. Good job. Okay, students, now the lesson is over. You may be free. Goodbye.